Look so gloomy there.
They
The
do.
air quality, I mean, this is going to be something that impacts hundreds, if not thousands more people.
And this is why wildfires, when we have those days where we've got those red flag warnings, this is why that danger is something that you got to so keenly pay attention to, because these things can really blow up fast and get totally out of control.
They can get out of hand so quickly, especially depending on the weather conditions. Fortunately, ours are improving the next few days, and we even have a little rain in the forecast.
Oh, nice. And a break from hundreds?
A break from the hundreds. It won't feel like it, don't worry. It'll still feel like the hundreds, but the actual temperature likely staying just in the upper 90s. Our trend tower camera right now is showing a little bit of cloud cover overhead, temperature of 98 degrees with a light south wind at about 5 to 10. This one, by the way, showing a little more cloud cover than at this point yesterday. Our planner does still show about 98 degrees around 7 this evening. Clear skies tonight, 88 degrees around midnight, dropping down to 80 degrees by 7. We're not seeing much cooling down overnight, and it's simply because our humidity is climbing. Anytime we have slightly higher humidity, it's really difficult for our temperatures to drop. And here's what you got to know. Even though we do see a break from the triple digits, we've got more of them on the way as our humidity continues to climb. The heat index climbs, but this does help bring in some slim rain chances for late in the week. On Thursday, this is how it shapes up. We'll see a lot of sunshine starting out at about 80 degrees. The high tomorrow makes it to about 100, but it'll feel close to about 103, so the heat index slightly climbing. About 102 for the actual temperature in Denton, 101 for Fort Worth and McKinney, about 100 in Dallas with the heat index up to 105. It doesn't mean everyone makes it there. It just means that we will likely see a slightly higher heat index or feels like temperature simply because the humidity is climbing. But look at what happens here. A higher humidity keeps our temperatures in the upper 90s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, very close to what's considered normal for this time of the year. The heat index is where you will notice the difference. It'll climb to about 105 on Friday, 104 on Saturday, 106 for the feels like on Sunday, and 105 on Monday. That increase in humidity also helps bring on a slim potential for rain, and this happens Friday, Saturday, and Sunday during the afternoon hours. And it's not for everyone. Coverage low at about a 10%. This is Friday around 6 p.m. We'll see it primarily northeast of DFW eastern counties, and then it goes away overnight. Saturday morning looking dry, but Saturday afternoon we'll see that potential popping up again, primarily east of DFW. The potential for severe weather not there for this weekend, but we'll be watching for any quick downpours. This is then Saturday around 7, a break again Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, another slim opportunity to see a few pop-up showers. And again, this is primarily east of DFW. The only reason we can do this is because that heat dome that controls our weather pattern is still well out to the west. Right underneath the heat dome is where all the heat alerts exist. That is slightly going to shift to include Texas as we head into late next week, and that brings the return of the triple-digit heat. And it also brings the reason behind no rain anywhere from the Guadalupe Mountains to the Texas Hill Country, but we are looking at slim rain chances that could accumulate to less than 1/4 of an inch, so it won't be a lot for eastern parts of North Texas and the southeast where we could see some sea breeze showers. For tonight, we drop to about 80 degrees, rain-free, light winds in place. Sunny and hot tomorrow, a high near 100 with the heat index up to 105 for some locations. And on that 14-day, we are looking at temperatures in the upper 90s for Friday, Saturday, Sunday into early next week. But take a look as we head towards the middle part of August. A lot of triple digits still left, a lot of summertime still left with morning lows in the upper 70s. And low 80s here as we head towards the middle part of August. It doesn't look like a lot of rain chances. August generally not only our hottest month, but also one of our drier months. We got to pay close attention to that potential of fire weather threat in the next few weeks.
All right, Mariel, thank you for that. And we have the